Hi, I'm Jutten. I'm the founder of the Simulation Crew. We have our office in Nijmegen, the Netherlands, and we work with 8 colleagues. We're into simulations a long time, simulations for training. And a long time, the simulations were kind of procedural. You do first this, then that, etc. But we made a change. We moved on to the domain of human communication, which is not procedural. And another change we make, a big change, is we moved on to virtual reality. Human communication is verbal and non-verbal. It's what you say, do you say the right thing, but it's also when you say something. Not too soon, but certainly not too late. And another thing of communication is how you say it. You can be really interested in the other, or you can be kind of distracted and mumbling. Those are differences which all count in communication. I'm going to present a project we did for Dutch Railways. The aim of the project is to train staff in communication skills. For this matter, we selected a subject of helping a disabled person who's in a wheelchair to get on a train safely. And the objective for the staff is to have a real good communication with the traveler. This means setting her at ease when she is kind of nervous and telling what you will do so that there won't be any surprises. Let's have a look.
Wat gaat u dat doen?
We hebben een familiereunie.
Oh, dat is wel heel leuk, ja.
Ja, dat is zo.
Bent u al vaker met de trein geweest?
Nee, dit is pas de tweede keer sinds ik in de rolstoel zit.
De trein komt eraan, zo. Dit is uw goede trein.
Ja, fijn.
Ja hoor, u staat, u kunt erin rijden.
Oké?
Rijd maar rustig erin. Staat u goed?
Ja, zeker.
Hier een algemene oproep. De storing in verband
Ik laat in Utrecht weten waar u zit.
Ja, dat is fijn. Anders kom ik er niet uit.
Ik herhaal.
Wens ik u een goede reis.
Storing in verband
Dank u wel. Tot ziens.
Een hele fijne dag. Tot ziens.
So how does this work? We use different AI techniques. One is speech recognition. You saw the player is talking and the speech is analyzed by the speech service, and we get a return of an intent of the player. The second one is dialogue modeling. So we use different context so we know what the player means. And the third technique is the multimodal input system. It's not only the verbal system, but it's also the gaze direction, and even the shaking of the head is gathered. After each round, the player gets a feedback. In the feedback, you will read what the woman in the wheelchair thinks of you, and also you get different tips from a coach. Normally, you play that round again and again. After a few rounds, you'll master this. Then it's time to add some difficulty. In this case, stress. Stress is brought in by using a lot of protocols and also adding other travelers who come to disturb you while you are helping this woman.
Uit te nemen. Ik ben op spoor 2. Ik herhaal.
Ik vind het spannend.
Ja, is het ook spannend. Het is ook wel druk, maar er wordt alles omgeroepen.
Ik sta op spoor 2.
Is er iets mis?
Moet u er niet op letten. Ik zorg dat u in de trein komt en dan is het goed.
Oh, gelukkig. Dat is fijn.
De trein komt eraan.
Oké. Dit is de goede trein, toch?
Ja, dit is de goede trein.
Oké.
Mag u wat vragen?
Kan iemand gevonden
Eén moment, ik ga even met deze mevrouw.
Ik herhaal.
Komt u maar, mevrouw.
Oké, dat doe ik.
Iemand gevonden
Mag u wat vragen?
gaan nemen.
Eén moment meneer, ik ben even bezig met deze mevrouw.
The Radboud University and TNO evaluated how this new kind of communication training is perceived by the users. Here you see a video taken while the evaluation was done.
U mag in de trein, mevrouw. Ik kom u zo helpen, meneer.
Ik ga heel even de brug aansluiten.
Ze geven de seintjes zodat je veilig plaats kunt nemen in de trein.
Kijk, dit is uw trein. Oké. Tot ziens.
As you can see, users felt totally free to perform their task in virtual reality. They talked freely about what they would say to the traveler, and also afterwards when we discussed how the virtual reality training was, people said it was very good to be on the station instead of in a training room, and it was very good to use free speech to talk, and people didn't felt assessed or watched by, which is normally the case in the role play. Thank you very much.